we started to make research about our families. Uwe already knew a lot about his grandfather. I needed his support and help to know more things about my Polish grandfather, which was killed at Auschwitz. And many other stories came out. And actually, when we've met already, we had this research. The subject was the identity. And as an artist, we were trying to deal with the subject, this part of Europe from which we come, this identity subject is very important. From the other side, there is many hidden subjects and informations and mixture of families and traveling people and war. Some expelled, some coming to the new places, some leaving some other place, changing names and so on. Family names, it's quite complicated area and place. And Timothy Snyder wrote an amazing book about Ukraine, and he called this place and Poland, and he called this area Bloodlands. So this is unfortunately very good description. So when so many things happened, also it has big impact on your family. And when you start ask questions and you are already third or fourth generation, sometimes you have no one to ask anymore. But this question is coming, especially when you are from this artistic direction and you want to know who you are.
But to you came not only questions but also answers. And suddenly, especially in your life, Gabi, Yiddish became very important thing.
Yes, but I must say it was a great influence of Uwe, and his story is really amazing, and somehow it took me in a very easy way. I started to follow him, and actually to see how open he is for his history, it gave me the strength, the power to face also my story and my family and my nations and my the Galicia identity also. So our meeting 10 years ago changed our life and my life definitely in an amazing way.
Very soon it was clear I did this research on my grandfather, wrote a book about it. So why not to do it also on Gabi's grandfather? Because very often the perpetrators, you find a lot of records, documents, the archives are still full, even if the Germans destroyed so many documents, but there are still is such an amount. But to find out anything about Gabi's grandfather, who was killed at Auschwitz, it was really, really not easy, and we had to dig deep and to travel to a lot of places in whole Europe to find any kind of information.